Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this car TV Mate HDMI multimedia adapter. I've already been using this for over 3 months now, and this is a great adapter to have in your car if you want to project your Fire Stick, a laptop, your cell phone, or even a game system onto your car's information system. So you can see that I have it hooked up with the USB cord right here. You can see that it has an extra long cord, so just in case you could stretch this out more if you need to. And then I put my Fire Stick to the HDMI port, and then for the power for the Fire Stick I attached the USB to this box here also. So this is a great small little box. You can see it fits in the cup holder or even in your little compartments right there. And you can see how well that it projects on the screen. So my car is a 2020 Subaru Ascent, and it works perfectly. So this adapter is great for long road trips, and your back passengers wants to watch something. You just hook this up to your Fire Stick or your laptop using the HDMI port, and then just set up your hotspot system so that way that it will work wirelessly. Or if you get an adapter for your phone, you can just hook this up using the adapter for your phone. So I'll show you. It works well with YouTube. So you can see my channel playing clearly, smoothly, without any skips. So this works very well. You can even play games on here. I'm playing the Red Ball game using the controller. So this is great if you're on your lunch break and you want to relax in your car. And you're also able to even watch live TV using the car multimedia adapter. I wouldn't recommend using this while you're driving, only when you're safely parked somewhere. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great car adapter. I like how easy it is to set up. All you got to do is just plug it into your car's USB-C port, and then you just hook up your HDMI input to here. And I like how versatile it is to either use a laptop, Fire Stick, an Android box, or even your gaming system to hook this up to your car's information system. So this is great for long road trips, or if you're on your break and you want to relax in your car while you're watching movies or shows or even playing games. This is a great buy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.